Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. If you are using Character.ai, you might have noticed that company has recently updated the service UI. Alongside this, several other changes have been introduced. Some that have made users happy, while others have left them angry and annoyed. In this video, I am going to cover all of these changes. So without further delay, let's get started. First on the list is the removal of the delete button, which has upset many users. This change prevents users from deleting specific messages. Currently, this update is still rolling out. As a result, some users still see the delete button, while for others, it's completely gone, leaving them frustrated. Next is the introduction of the rewind to here feature, which seems to have replaced the delete option. With this feature, users can click on a specific message and select rewind to here. This removes all subsequent messages from that point onward. This change has received mixed reactions. Some users have adapted to it, while others are demanding the return of the delete button. Another notable update is the mute words feature. This allows users to mute specific unwanted words from AI characters, such as pangs, fiesty, and smirks. Initially, users could mute as many words they wanted, but the company later limited this to just 4 words. While this feature has generally received positive feedback, some users are dissatisfied because it only blocks words with a limited number of characters. One of the most controversial updates is the timed out feature, which is driving users crazy. Here is what's happening. While chatting with AI character, user receives a message saying, "This content is filtered," accompanied by a timed out for 24 hours ban. After receiving this warning, users cannot chat with characters for specified periods. Initially, the community assumed this ban only applied to accounts for users under 18. However, the ban has started affecting users aged 18 and above as well. The most frustrating part is that even when users follow the company guidelines, they still face this restriction. Last but not the least is the auto reply feature. Here is how it works. While chatting with your AI character, you can click on the auto response option in the chat window. Character.ai will analyze the conversation and generate a response for you, which you can then send to the character. This feature is particularly useful if you are unable to come up with a reply during the chat and let you continue your roleplay seamlessly. These are some of the major changes that Character.ai has recently rolled out. Now, I had loved to hear about your experience with these updates. Have they improved your experience, or do you find them frustrating? Also, if I missed any features you had liked to discuss, feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel, as this encourages me in creating more similar videos related to Character.ai and similar topics. Thanks for watching.